Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a little bit more bold than I normally do, but I don't think it's too bold, and it is so fun and it's really quick and easy. I think it's going to be the perfect look for spring and summer. So I use the new Tarte Remix Natural palette, which is the mini colorful palette. So I think that is a great choice if you want to play around with color but don't want to commit to a really big palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm starting off by using the new Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. My face has been a little bit more dry than normal. That's why I wanted to use this, just to give me a little bit of extra moisture underneath my foundation. And for foundation, I am also using the new Tarte Face Tape Foundation. So they reformulated the Shape Tape, and instead of having the two different formulas, there's just one formula, and it's more the consistency of the concealer. And I like it so much better than the old one, and it has a pump instead of the wand, and it is formulated to adapt to your skin. So if you're oily, it is going to help mattify, and it has hyaluronic acid for if you are dry. So it's great for all skin types, and it is full coverage, and I'm using a damp beauty sponge to apply mine. I would recommend using a damp beauty sponge if you are dry, and then if you are oily you can use a brush, but I always tell people just play around and see which way you like better. Next, I am taking the Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector and just placing this under both of my eyes. This is going to help correct the darkness. And then I'm going to go in with the Shape Tape Concealer and place it under both of my eyes right on top of that corrector. I also place this on my eyelids as a eyeshadow base, and I go down the bridge of my nose to kind of highlight, and around the bottom of my nose where I have a little bit of redness. Now I am just setting everything with a translucent setting powder, and after I use the translucent one underneath my eyes, I always go in with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette and use that yellow setting powder underneath my eyes as well, just to help brighten some more. Now I am just taking a black gel liner and lining my lower waterline. And for my brows, I've actually really been liking this Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon. This is the one that I used in both of my drugstore Valentine looks, and I actually really like it. For contouring today, I'm using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Matte Bronzer. I usually only do my cheeks, and here lately I've been doing my jawline. And for my forehead, I like to use the Tarte Park Avenue Princess, the one with shimmer, just to give a little bit of a bronzy glow. For my transition color, I'm actually using that same Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer, the matte one, and just placing it right above my crease and blending it up. So you can do this with any kind of bronzer that you use or that you already have. I know this tutorial is a little bit more scattered than normal, but since I was already using that bronzer, I wanted to go ahead and place it in my crease. So now I'm going back to blush, and I'm using this really pretty pink color, and this is from the Tarte Pro Glow and Blush Palette. For highlighter, I'm actually going to use two different ones. I'm going to start off using the one in that same blush palette, and then on top of that, I'm going to use the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Now for the fun part, this is the new Tarte Remix Natural palette, and I'm going to start off using that shade You Can and just place this on the inner corner of both of my eyelids. Next, I'm going to take this really pretty pink shade called Happening and just do the same exact thing, place it on both inner corners. Next, I'm taking the shade Hustle and placing this in the center of my lid right next to the pink shade. Now for the outer corner, I'm going to use this shade called Go For It, and then I'm just going to go back and just kind of brighten up all three shades. For my lower lash line, I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on my lid. So start off with the shade Happening, then Hustle, and then Go For It on the outer corner. And I'm also going to go back over that black gel liner in my waterline and use the shade Go For It, which is the pretty blue shade. To finish up the eyes, I am using the Man Eater Mascara by Tarte, which is my favorite mascara right now. And you could definitely add false lashes if you wanted to, just to make the look stand out more. But I really wanted the colors to pop, so I'm just using mascara. To complete the look, I am using the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Lip Sculptor in the shade Life, and I'm just applying the lipstick side. And these lip sculptors are double-ended, so it has lip gloss on the other side, so I'm going to put that on top of the lipstick. So that completes this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this colorful look. I actually came up with it before work one morning, and y'all should know by now that I am always running late, so you know that it would have to be quick and easy if I did it before work. So if you did like this look, please give this video a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. But that is all that I have to say, except thank you for watching. Until next time, bye y'all.